Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sport, stock reference number 4404. This shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 6th month 2007. It has a 1ZZ, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1ZZ, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy rims. Left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door also has 2 small dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left hand tail light. It's got an aftermarket tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has a couple of small dents and the clear's peeling on it. Right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, front only type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.